What's the meaning of cohort? Cohort. Cohort.
Cohort. Cohort. The term cohort refers to a group of individuals who share a common characteristic or experience and are studied together over a specific period of time. Cohort studies are commonly used in medical research to investigate the relationship between an exposure and an outcome. They provide valuable information on disease risk, prognosis, and treatment outcomes. By following a cohort over time, researchers can identify patterns and associations between variables that would not be possible with other study designs. Overall, cohorts provide insights into the natural history of a disease or condition and inform public health interventions.